Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's work your core just a little more with prone hammock pikes on the path of least resistance.
On a sturdy open fence, make your hammock by looping your leash handles over the horizontal bar. Pull the clips through their own handles, then clip the clips together. Here we create a hammock in a park pavilion using 4 leashes strapped around parallel beams. You can also clip your hammock on the chains between 2 swings for an added challenge. Start with your elbows on the ground and the front of your ankles in the hammock. You can put a towel on the leash for added comfort. Plank up and activate your core and lats. Now pull your hips up over your shoulders without bending your knees. Hold for a beat at the apex of the motion, then lower back down into a plank. Keep your belly button pulled in for the entire exercise to activate your transverse abdominal muscles. Once this is easy, raise the pick point and repeat the exercise while supporting from your hands. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Use hardcore form to form a hardcore with prone hammock pikes on the path of least resistance.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, just hit the subscribe. You better do it.